Rock the rock. Sign saying don't do that?
Over on that side, maybe on this side you can. What is this still the road?
This way says Cabo Road.
Okay, this is the road.
What's that?
And we're here. Deeper into the mountains.
I don't know what the hell just happened, but...
Well, I see civilization.
We're here, like this is.
Where is he?
Is everything still gonna be in the dirt? Are we ever gonna hit concrete again? Damn.
What the hell?
Ecuador.
Pico del Mar. We're here. Yeah, this is it.
Still ain't hit no concrete.
This is the place, huh?
We still haven't.
We're never gonna hit concrete. Like that dream, just let it go.
Oh, so that means we came the right way.
Did come the right way. There's no other road. That's crazy. This is the road. There it is.
Damn.
Oh, it's packed.
Damn.
It's
My God. We never did hit civilization. This is it.
Descuida de mí, bajo la sombra de sus alas. Descuida de mí, yo
They live there, the little Tweeties. We found where they live. They live in the little holes in the rock.
Yep.
siendo la segunda la más visitada. Esa es la famosa playita San Andrés. ¿A que no me adivinan por qué?
San Andrés.
San Andrés. Aquí también tenemos una roca que tiene una formación muy curiosa, muy extensa. Tiene forma como de rana.
But that looks like it's shaped like a frog.
Oh, yeah.
Mira, tú sabes que la rana tiene los ojos acá arriba.
Se le ve, sí, se le ve la boquita y los ojos y todo. They call it like they call it the blue beach because he says that that's where like couples go to, you know.
I like it. We may have to come do some love.
You like the love part?
We may have to come do some love. Yeah.
Eso natural, Bahía Las Águilas, piña colada natural. Y hay que venir para conocerlo, pero hay que venir para acá. Mira cómo está la mata 2025. La mata de piña, mira cómo está.
Mira la piña. They're growing out of the tree. He has a nice butt.
Okay.
Alcohol fuerte.
Son fuertes.
Fuerte. Fuerte.
Ok, ya no tan fuerte, perdón. Era relajo.
How is it?
Oh my god, it's so good.
The best in Bahia. Bahia de Aguilas, pina coladas.
You should drink slow. Ooh, it's good.
Nice.
I don't know. This is like one of the most fun parts for me. The drive.
Yep.
It's like the action.